Have you ever wanted a real estate coach that was going to stay with you and help you do more deals? Not only help you do more deals, but help you save money, save time, find the deals, analyze the deals, market the deals, sell the deals, so that you can be profitable, wildly profitable. Hi, I'm the Jackie Jackson, real estate coach and investor, and tax deed and tax lien investor. If you are looking for a real estate investor coach, this is your opportunity to work with me personally for 1 year. Yes, you heard me, 1 full year of working with me directly. That's right. But you gotta act quickly. You must take action now, all right? Space is limited and you need to take action now. I cannot work with everyone, but I do know that those that I do work with experience the amazing success that they deserve and they are looking for in their real estate investing career. So fill out the application right now. Let's see if we're a good fit to work with each other, and let's get together and chat soon.